Our involvement as UAM with Multiply started when Joe, who works with Multiply, came in and did a presentation to the community here, tell us about the Multiply project, about how there was opportunities for us to work. And we had a discussion with him, spoke to him about what we could do. He made it super accessible for us, fair play. And it's like we were thinking, how can we do this? But music, because we're working with music is structured through maths. You know, when you're talking about time signatures and beats and bars and measuring how long a piece of music is, all of that's mathematical.
So realistically, we start with some fun games. We've got to make people relaxed, and that's key to it first. So get it fun and creative. So we'll do a mood board, and this week we did numeracy for empowerment, and within that we capture different keywords to do with numeracy, and then we do a rhyming structure for that, and then get young people then to write down their own versions of those rhymes. So it's a nice one where we keep to a topic, but we're allowing people their own freedom of their own art.
It's interesting that we're bringing in a sense, I mean, if you consider maths to be within the sciences and rapping to be within the arts, I think anything that fuses the arts and the sciences together is really progressive and effective, because those two things can be divided, but it's kind of the left and the right side of the brain, but that's our brain. So while we're working with half of it and not the other half, you know, let's bring the two together and make that work. And that to me is holistic. I think that's a great value.
We use numbers and maths all the time in our heads. We use it to work out when a paycheck's coming, what we're getting on a paycheck, what date is coming. Money is the key for everyone. And so having this knowledge about numbers, it helps with that subtly. So we're not sort of going, sit in class and learn maths. And I think that's the difference to it. We're doing it through a fun element of come and hang out with people that are other creatives. And by the way, oh, you learnt maths today.
The most exciting part about this project of working with UAM is it really just highlights the collaborative efforts that we can achieve through working with Multiply, and really it just shows the strength in being able to work together in order to achieve something greater. Numeracy is such an integral part of everything that we do in everyday life, whether it's from hobbies or whether it's in the workplace or at home. It could be supporting your children, it could be becoming a better music artist, it could just be becoming a more confident version of yourself. And Multiply has the tools, the skills and the personnel in order to help people achieve that.